Today I'm going to show you how to do fitting individual crochet. So you're going to take the hair, I'm using passion twist hair, and you want to connect the crochet hook or latch hook, whichever way you call it, and you want to connect it into that hole, the hole of the hair. So right there, just connect it in there. After connect it, you want to close it up and pull it through the base of the hair. Then you want to connect it to the end of the hair and pull all that through. Once you've done this, what you do next is you already take the hair that has been braided. So this is the strand of the hair that's been braided, and you're going to take your latch hook and you're going to scrunch up the extension and pass the latch hook through the hole of the hair. So you're kind of passing it through the middle of the hair, just like that. So keep on passing it until you reach the very base of the hair connection. Now, doing this method for me is gentler on the hair, and also it hides your own hair so that even if your hair is getting messy, you don't see it. It's hidden in the hair. Now, the rest of the thing that you do is you're going to bend this into half, connect that with the hook, and pull it through. Now be very gentle while pulling it through so that it doesn't come off. You can do this in sections instead of just pulling it through all at once. But after that, just release the hook. Once you release the hook, then you're going to take the braided hair and gently pull it to connect and to cover up the hair extension. So this is how it looks. It looks really beautiful. You cannot see the hair and it's hidden right there. I actually braid crocheted the rest of the hair, but the front I did it in individuals. So this is what it looks like. If you have any questions, ask your questions in the comment below. This is how the full hair looks like, and it's really beautiful. And this braid hair is really, this crochet is really, really beautiful. I absolutely love it.